Hello and welcome back. If you've got a flight coming up, you're going to want to watch this before heading to the airport. Today we're talking about 7 things you should never wear on a plane. Some of these might seem like no big deal, but they can actually make your flight super uncomfortable or even get you kicked off the plane. Let's break it down one by one. Let's start with open-toed shoes, flip-flops, slides, sandals, anything that leaves your feet exposed. Sure, they're easy to slip on and off, and they feel great if you're flying to a sunny spot. But airplane floors? They're not exactly the cleanest. Think about how many people walk up and down that aisle, drop food, spill drinks, and let's be honest, those carpets don't get cleaned very often. And when it comes to the airplane bathroom, trust me, you don't want to step in there without real shoes. That liquid on the floor? It's probably not just water. So wear something that fully covers your feet. You'll thank yourself later. Next up, clothes with offensive language or images. Now, airlines don't all have super clear rules, but almost all of them say they can deny boarding to someone wearing stuff that's inappropriate or offensive. That could mean curse words, rude slogans, or even pictures that just don't sit right with other passengers or staff. And the truth is, it's up to the airline to decide what crosses the line. If they ask you to change and you don't, you could be taken off the flight. So if you're not sure if something's okay, play it safe and wear something neutral. Now let's talk comfort. We all want to be comfy on a flight, I totally get it. But full-on pajamas? Probably not the best look. You're still out in public, around a lot of other people. Pajamas can look like you just rolled out of bed and forgot where you were going. Instead, go for loose, breathable clothes. Soft joggers, leggings, or sweatpants with a simple t-shirt or hoodie can give you that same cozy feeling without looking like you're heading to sleep. Of course, there's an exception here. If you're flying business or first class and the airline gives you pajamas, then sure, go ahead and wear them on the plane, but maybe not through the whole airport. Alright, this one's for those heading straight to the beach. Wearing your swimsuit on the plane might seem like a time saver, but it's not a great idea. Swimwear is usually tight, doesn't breathe well, and isn't exactly comfortable to sit in for hours. And some airlines even have rules against it. Yes, actual dress codes. So unless you're layering a swimsuit under your clothes for some reason, save it for when you land. Just throw a cover-up or a loose dress over it until you get to your hotel or change in the airport bathroom when you arrive. And thinking about airplane temperatures, they are unpredictable. One flight might feel like the Arctic, and the next one's hotter than a summer day in Dubai. That's why wearing just a single layer, like a tank top or a thick sweater, isn't a good move. You don't want to be stuck freezing or sweating for hours. The best way to handle it? Dress in layers. Start with a t-shirt, add a hoodie or light jacket, and keep a scarf or something cozy in your bag. That way you can adjust as needed and stay comfortable no matter what the cabin feels like. Now, let's talk accessories. Big, metal jewelry might look cool, but it's a total pain when you're flying. First off, you'll probably have to take it all off at airport security, especially if it sets off the metal detectors. That means more time unpacking and repacking your stuff at the checkpoint. Second, wearing a bunch of heavy necklaces or bangles on the plane. Not comfy, and if you fall asleep with that on, good luck not waking up with it poking you in the neck. So keep it simple. Wear small, light pieces and pack the flashy stuff in your carry-on if you want to wear it later. Last one, go easy on the perfume or cologne. You might love your signature scent, but not everyone else will. Some people are sensitive to strong smells, and in a small, enclosed space like an airplane cabin, that scent can spread fast. You don't want to be that person giving everyone a headache before takeoff. So skip the fragrance or just do a very light spritz before you leave home. Nothing too overpowering. And that's it. 7 things you should definitely avoid wearing on a plane if you want a smooth, stress-free flight. Remember, it's all about comfort, being considerate, and not making things harder for yourself or anyone else while you travel. If this helped you out, give the video a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a travel tip. Safe travels.